Joseph started switching phones. Now. Joseph started couple switching phones. Y'all niggas know we back. And I know y'all niggas see the backroom change. The background change. Yeah, I know y'all niggas see it. Like, we had to like change everything and shit. But now we're back. We're finna be consistent and shit, chat. I'm telling you. But y'all niggas know this track already. Barring. Look. Barring.
Kawabona uhlapilo skoon Arpazes boot Tami tamara kadipi
Party.
Hamasi bi Rauje life when I was speed Lickay second I wish Throwing shots and me wanna no miss Top chef, lishera urai cook Dog trade ya upanisha cook Sex position kastale sako Go TED, YouTube and check a go I get wax.
We are back.
What's good YouTube? My name is Joseph Terry. I'm back again with another video with another couple.
So, chat. Who do y'all niggas think is cheating? Who do y'all niggas think is cheating in this one? This nigga looks like he looks a bit innocent. You can see like with the face and shit. He has glasses on. He has a huge forehead and shit. He looks innocent, but her, just saying.
How you say?
You look just like saying. That guy who sold our influencers to the Russian syndicate.
I don't even know who is that guy.
No. He looks like you. You see those guys that act like they come with the important, serious stuff. Rubbish.
So I don't know what you're trying to say, but whatever you're trying to say, it's not me.
What I'm trying to say is the guys that that guy looks like, which is you are part of them.
The fuck is the thing on 480p? Like nah,
I don't know, my brother.
You guys love acting so much innocent, but you are full of cock.
Do you know me, my brother?
You are full of everywhere.
The nigga hasn't done shit. I know I'm sorry if I post too much, but the nigga hasn't done shit, bro. This nigga just came in the park and just saying, nah, you look like the nigga who's giving people to rush and shit. He's saying you just talk like nigga. Let the nigga breathe. Please, Joseph. Like, nah, Joseph, you gotta chill though. But that your trip though, I see it. I know I look like a mess and shit.
You guys are the mixture of the cacks we have in the country. Guys like this.
Do you know me, my brother?
Not you. I still say no, guys like you.
Guys like this.
But now you want me to know you, but I'm judging you from what I know.
There's this thing that
you don't know shit.
Judge a book by its cover.
The problem all these books are covered the same.
We haven't even read the title yet.
But why are they covered the same?
I don't know what they are trying to say, but
I'm kidding, my brother. What's your name?
My brother, we don't play like that, my brother.
I'm sorry, but the guys like you.
Nah. If this nigga was Zulu, like from Maka, you know those ones. Yeah. Some of them are too crazy. They would have just stood up and, you know what they do.
I still repeat, allegedly, the guys like you. You see, you still hear me and say, I'm not saying you.
But you say the guys like me, which is, I'm also included in that topic of yours.
Like, with the spectacles and soft voice.
No, try to be specific. If you mean me.
Not you.
Yeah, then
let me go specific. Not you. The guy that's, I still repeat, say, the guy that sent our influencers to the Russian syndicate. I agree it's not you.
If I were to imitate you, it's like you're trying to say 1 + 1 is 11, but 1 + 1 is 2, you see. But you want this level, but you are moving it. It is you. That is you. That is you.
What is your boyfriend saying, my sister?
Nah, this bitch. Nah, she be looking at Joseph Dara a little bit different. She's looking at Joseph Dara a little bit different. Like I can see her. Like on my side, I shit like. But now what this nigga is saying is making sense, bro. You can't say niggas like you, but not you. You can't say niggas like you, but I'm not saying you like nigga. You saying niggas like me, like 6, 7.
What's your name, mama? Because I'm just saying the guys that looks like him, right? When you understand,
Ngiyakuzwa.
But I don't want to be cancelled.
okusho ukuthi uvumelana naye
No baby ngiyayizwa into ayishoyo.
Uthini?
Wena manje sewufaka u1 plus 1
11, like it can never be 11.
ngizama ukusho ukuthi lento afuna ukuyisho inonsense but uyayisho into engifuna ukuyisho leyo
Nonsense.
into afuna ukuyisho inonsense but uyayisho
Do you side with the guy that sends?
I don't even know the
Listen.
guy. I don't even know the guy. Why would I side with him?
Okay.
I don't even
I'm
know the
still
guy.
repeating also. The guys that guy looks like you.
Too good to
You
be
see, this
true.
topic is not gonna end at all because you're still including me, and I said do not include me.
Oh, the guys that don't look like you.
Yeah. It's better like that, but do not include me. Rather say
It's
someone
better
else.
like that.
There are many people here in the park. You can mention them. Who looks like that, like that guy?
Are you scamming? Maybe you are a scammer in some other way. Maybe. How do we know?
My brother, I haven't scammed anyone. I don't know how to scam. I don't know how to start a thing. You know. So, please.
But these spectacles, you can't just be wearing them just to see life normally. Like you guys see money. You guys make money.
No,
So if a nigga is wearing spectacles, they make money. Not every nigga though. That's the thing. Like why do most niggas think if you wear spectacles and glasses and shit, you're smart? Like niggas, I've seen some crazy shit. I've seen some niggas who look smart, who have glasses on and shit. Everything's on point. But when it's time to doing some shit, like I don't know though what, and you know them niggas like those though, they don't get bitches though. I'm just saying, you know them niggas don't get bitches. You know it. You just know it.
unfortunately, I
I'm
don't have
kidding.
money.
How long have you guys been dating?
It's been 3 years, my brother.
Damn.
It's been 3
love
years.
her.
As you can
Wow,
see,
buddy.
she's so beautiful. She's a smart woman.
What's
She's-
your name?
My name is Ntlantla, my brother.
Ntantla.
Ntlantla.
Am I wrong for even saying Ntantla, bro?
You first said Ntlantla.
Yeah. Am I wrong? Yeah.
That's how the Mkoni say it.
Hey, Ndanda.
Eh?
Ndanda.
I'm not Danda. I'm Ntlantla.
Are you Tonga?
No, I'm a Zulu person.
I won't lie, chat.
You are Zulu.
She's enjoying herself too
Market.
much.
How? Like, you guys are there's so many of people that look like you and they speak the same and they have confidence and they speak their brain. It's very nice to watch live, bro. You understand? And you find that if I test you
I won't
and
lie, chat. This nigga Joseph talks a lot of rubbish. Like no cap, bro. Like this nigga just be saying everything that comes to his head, bro. Like, hey, now sometimes shit gets to a point. I mean, my fine shit right here, and you're gonna be telling that I'm what, like nigga, nah. Nigga will get there, RKO you and shit. Like, don't test me, buddy.
that person and other people that like have a similar look, I find that you guys have maybe 25% of similar genes. You just didn't know.
I didn't know, as you say. I just didn't know.
Crazy
Yeah.
vibes. I want you guys to play a smaller game. What's your name, Mama?
Ntokozo.
Ndogos. I want you guys to play a smaller game with me.
But
called
chat, what I know is Dogozos don't cheat. Y'all niggas know me. I don't cheat. Dogozos don't cheat. I don't know that. I don't think I'm gonna see it here today first. I'm not gonna see it here. So everything changes now. Now this nigga is the one who's gonna cheat. It's no more hard. Okay, name is Dogozo. So yeah.
Change phone for 60 seconds.
Exchange for seconds.
Sometimes I look. You see how I look high?
Yeah.
I'm always like this. Like there's no way you're gonna find me. I'm just I'm never a Luguenia.
But no one ever brought
I don't
that.
even know what is a
No one even
Liguenya.
brought that topic up. But
I was a Guenia.
Elegwenya. You should have said I'm a Gwenya.
You are literal about this thing, you
You should
know.
have said I'm a Gwenya. You must be straight and specific.
Unjalo
Hey, I was saying specific.
Unjalo.
That time they are sending you to Russia. You must be straight and specific, but they are not straight and specific when they send you to Russia.
Cha.
these people.
No, ngelinye ilanga
Not you.
uzokuthuka ukhona khona la. Uzomuzwa angeke. Legwenya. Have you ever heard of Legwenya?
Kele Guenia, monna.
Igwenya.
Igwinya.
I said Namuzulu, Kinamopedi.
what the fuck is this conversation? Like, I'm sorry, but I have to interrupt, dog. Like, what the fuck is this conversation? Like, nah, dog. Like, nah, shit gets so fucking point, dog. Let them niggas switch phones, Joseph. It's been 7 minutes already. damn, nigga, you're getting to my nerves, buddy. God damn.
Ke le gwinya.
Mpe.
Ke le paku.
Mapelo angali.
Yeah, ke le paku.
Baku angazi ukuthi uthini.
Lipaku
Ke le gwinya.
Hayi bengazi bengiqala uzwa ngawo.
Wayizwa walena. So what are you saying about the phones?
Ay mfowethu so se right nje lo game yakho.
Awufuni.
Hayi
Yeah, sengibonile vele you are against me. Wena uthini mama?
Hawu game nje.
Yeah.
It's just a
What
game.
have you
Nigga,
game?
Nhlanhla is cheating.
Mama.
Awu kanjani? Wena
something.
uzovuma
Awuphathishe something.
Uzovuthwa ubhuti.
cha angazi isikhathi sokugijima mina inke angazi isikhathi sokugijima
Ngokunikeni.
angifune lutho nje u right nje ufikile uthi uzosibuza ngoba
Manje awufuni ngefone.
ukhuleka bhuti wami khuleka
Awufuni ngefone. I just wanna know so I can leave.
yeah ngi-right angifuni ngefoni
Have y'all niggas
Okay,
seen
this
this
too.
ukuthi when like this shit is not happening to you, it's like you can see good okay, this shit you can see good okay. This dark ass nigga here right here is the one who's cheating. But if you're in the position of this bitch, like Ntokozo, if you're in this position of Ntokozo, you wouldn't be able to tell good hey, nah, this nigga Nhlanhla is cheating. So on God, I'm telling you.
Reasons
I
why
don't know
you're
how it
on your
works,
phone.
dog.
One is
I don't
you
know
are
how it
cheating.
works, but it
You're
works.
hiding something in your phone.
Yeah.
2, you are a scammer.
cha
3,
How is this?
you were maybe part of the people that were included in the Russian syndicate.
no
Yeah, now if you don't want to tell phone, all of those 3 are doing them.
cha
Bengane yami iphone uyiphethe nje.
yeah ikiwi mangiphi
Yeah.
Give us her
manje.
phone. Give us her phone.
iphone cha awusabule umuntu akabayala ifoni yakho
Akalethe yakhe ke iphone. If uyamthemba akuthathe yakhe ke iphone.
cha angifune ifoni yamuntu ayisho uphethe ifoni yakhe
Let her
ngisho-
give my sister her phone.
but no
Give my sister her phone, bro.
ngimnikeza ifoni yakho
Okay.
ngimnikeza ifoni yakho
Yes.
Letha.
mayilahleka ungangikhaleli
Angeke ilahleke phela mina ngiyakwazi ukugijima. Ngahlula ulotuzana.
Sister, don't care. Stop that care. That's just lying, dog. Now she a big body though. She is a big body. There's no way though. Why is she lying? There's no need to lie. There is no need to lie though. You're not catching Joseph Dare. You're not catching Joseph Dare. No glaze, but like even though Joseph Dare has some weight on him, but nah, my sister, you're not catching him.
Awu mina ngamshiya phela.
uyamazi
I don't really run. I don't run.
Phela
uyamazi
ngisho uthi
I
yena phela.
can't even run. Like there's no time where you will like everyone can cheer me. I don't have time to run.
Angibonana nje ubhuti yazivila.
uyamazi yena
Angimazi.
I live by a minute, not by time.
yabo
You understand?
hayi ngakunika ifoni yakhe kodwa eyami
Awufuni ngeyakho. Ephi yakho?
Yini?
right ke
Uyibeke phi?
ikhona kimi
Ufuna ukuyithatha uyibeke phi?
uyithathe lani manje ngoba ngitheke
Yilo leyo lapho.
yeah
Oh, nah. I'm not letting a nigga do that to me in front of my fan shit. I'm not letting that shit happen to me. I'm not letting that shit happen to me in front of my fan shit. Like, nah, nigga, you getting a punch, though. Like, nah, baby, no shade. Like, you are getting a punch because there is no way you're gonna go into my pocket and take my phone. Like, there is no way. No way. No, niggas is bargain.
Nah, my sister.
how
Siyayithatha.
Hawu.
kanjalo nje
Aw my girl.
Ozoyenza kwaba nzima.
Oh my girl. Aw.
Hawu.
Hi.
Into elula kanje.
You guys never told me Ishaka Ilembe is Munandi.
Hawu.
Hey.
Online Shaka Ilembe is nchathe. I still have to finish it. Like, I couldn't even watch it in the like dining room and shit. I have to now watch it here in this room. Cause now dog they be like showing tits and shit. Like I can't watch that shit with my family and shit. Like I have to just be on my own and just watch it. Cause nah, dog, she gets so fucking poor. Like,
I'm there for the noodoo. I'm the noodoo of the Shaka Ilembe guy. I'm there for the noodoo. Have you watched Shaka Ilembe?
ngiyayibuka nje
Hey,
But those niggas had
I
it,
love the
that-
director.
they had
First
it.
time I love South African director, bro, is the Shaka Ilembe. Like you see the noodoo. Yeah, like we see our actors in motion.
oh, nah, what?
I like it, bro. My brother.
Oh nah, those
When
three
you are
big
boogering
dogs.
Ishaka Ilembe, you blow, you watch, and like you are entertained through the story. through the realness
And
and through the realness of like.
Oh nah. Don't lie, boy. 3 dogs, like nah, nyabaleka, no care.
Question for you, my brother.
I don't think they're acting there.
I have a question for you, my brother.
Yes,
Do you have a partner?
me. I do have a partner.
Do you watch Shaka Ilembe with your partner?
Yes, obviously. If you watch it alone, you're never gonna be okay, Pep.
The way you are crazy right now, are you also crazy with her like that?
Yes, when I see her, I'm like, ooh, hoo, hoo.
No, I mean like when you're watching Shaka Ilembe.
Yes. I tell her, Pella, let me teach you. My woman is a type of woman. When a lady with ass passes, we look at it, we're like, oh damn, she
Like,
bad.
yeah, she has to understand, dog. Like, let's say if you might find shit and your body is T, like no cap. But another find shit to passes through, like nah, if your body is T, like nah, nigga, I'm peeping through, like. And you have to understand, though. Like you have to understand, cause like nah, nigga, I gotta adjust, you know. Just it. Can't even blame a nigga for doing that.
You know, like if she can ask me, do you wanna bang it? I'm like, nah, I don't wanna bang anyone anyway. But she could ask me that question, and if I wanna bang, I can just go like, oh, sister, let me. But there's no need for me to
So
do
you
that.
need to request to bang your woman.
Yeah, I have to request because I'm a real guy. I don't lie. I told you. Yes.
I hear you.
Yeah.
This bitch is looking at Joseph Tare like
I'm
crazy.
not like. But me, I don't lie to my woman. My woman has to know me through everything.
Bese uyavuma naye.
Wena my sister uvumi.
No, sengisho ukuthi uma uthi wena ufuna ukubhenga wena. Bese mhlawumbe uyakubuza ufuna ukubhenga bese wena mhlawumbe uyafuna ukubhenga.
Mina angifuni ukubhenga. I don't know. I always don't wanna bang her. Yes.
Oh, uyam appreciate yena.
Yes, I appreciate her the way she is. I think I like her the way I think she's the person I like.
You think?
I love. So I think I live for her. So there's no need for me to be banging other girls. It's literally gonna end in a minute, bro. How long does it take to be in that world? Than the world I'm in right now, where I have a baby and a wife. It's a wonderful world, bro. You understand? I'm sharing. You are inspired. Okay. You can check your woman's phone. Me, I've checked. Can you let him open?
So
Open your search I love you, search I miss you, search nudes, everything. Firstly, who's this who's walking in here?
Angimazi ubani lona? Ubani lona lo? Lo vela kuloduzana yayo.
Wallpaper.
This Zulu ass nigga doesn't even hide it. And you know what he's gonna say? Nah, thina abazulu kufanele sithole isithembu omkhulu wami what like bitch. Like nah, but like baby no shit like nah, boy you pushing it. Like right now in 2025, dog, you're still looking for his table. Like nah, dog. You know the economy is fucked up, but then you still looking for his table. Like dog, like niggas can't even afford a Makanda i6. Just saying. And niggas want his table. You know them Zulu niggas. Like they trying to force good time back then, dog. Like bread was like what? I don't know, like 3 rand or some shit like. But now like 20 rand, ban.
Walking.
akusamele na sifake ama
Ngiyabuza
Ubani
ubani
lo
lo?
wakhayo go.
Cha,
Before you wait my sister. Let him open.
hlala phansi ngizochaza hlala phansi
Open your phone.
Ubona phela
cha angaqedi
Angibuza
ngeyakhe
kahle.
angaqedi ngeyakhe
Okay, just open.
okay angaqedi ngeyakhe
Yeah, I'll let you. Just
How?
open.
no angaqedi ngeyakhe
Okay, that again.
ngqedi ehe
Maravula ungayithathi le.
Cha, kanjani ngoba ngaqedi kahle.
Umboni kahle.
Cha.
Ngicela ukumbona kahle.
lalela ithi chazele bamba na iphone yakho
Ngicela ulethe
So
eyakho.
usafuna ukuyi-check?
Lethe
cha
yakho.
angisho phela isinto
Lethe yakho.
Hayi,
Kanjani?
sharp.
Lethe yakho.
Finish. Let him
Cha.
finish, my sister.
Cha,
Let him
hlala
finish.
phansi.
Let him finish.
hlala phansi
Let him finish. Finish ke.
hayi
Letha lesibambe. Awuyivule lapho le ke. Angivulele yona ke. Ngibambe ngiyivulile wena usearcha le phone.
It's so
Can't- I know
obvious
to
that
the
this
point.
nigga, it's so obvious that this nigga is cheating. It's so obvious. And there's no way. Look at this forehead chat. Look at this. I mean, it's only what It's only 4, but now it's only 4 because now they push my shit. Actually, it's like 3, you get me? But yo, that's like a 6 things. Damn, nigga. Fix your power.
Yeah, mara.
ngifuna ukuyibuyisela kumnikazi.
Okay.
Oh, so sisile uqedile, right?
Shaya password ke.
Wakwata nje.
Shaya password ke. Shaya password.
Usechile, right? Unelisekile, right?
Ukwatiswa is umuntu owokhayo lapha. Into okwatisayo.
Ngiyabuza.
Into okwatisayo.
Cha.
Bhuda uma kancane. Already nje ngokuthatha ifoni yami sewenze inkinga. Lo muntu wayinkinga nje. Ukwatiswa umuntu owokhayo.
Saqala ngisho.
Cha,
Siqaqedi wena usoqedile lapho.
Okusho ukuthi
lo muntu.
ufuna ukuvumela angene kubudlelwane bethu.
No.
Niyadlelana?
No, asenze lento le.
Ngicela uthule.
Sengithulile mara ngivulele
Lalela. Cha, ngiqedile ngefoni yakho.
Khuluma shame.
Ngiqedile ngefoni yakho. Cha, lalela. Inkinga awufuna ukungilalela. Ufuna ukubona
yini? Ukulalela, fake password. Fake password.
Nigga trying to talk his way out of this situation, buddy. You're not going anywhere. Buddy, nah, boy, we switching your phone either you like it or not, buddy. We know the future, buddy. We switching your phone either you like it or not, nigga. Until you are cheating, buddy. You are cheating. That shit is not gonna happen, buddy. Trying to say, nah, you can take your phone like nigga. Nah. You wanna see if you're cheating, dog. And if you're cheating, you get away from dog, cause nah, she's loyal and shit, like.
Wait, fuck password. Fuck password.
Phathong.
Siyawubona ndoda. Siyawubona. Sikanana rasuboni, siyawubona.
Ulesa silwana, ithi ngikubona lesa siloya.
I'm still searching. I gotta get your research. Rthome pila my sister.
Okay.
Scanna ngarne. Ewan, dan the phone is all na dintsanga tsona. There for 2 sides. Okay.
How my cap?
There's too much there.
Wow.
Tell us what is it doing, Taylor? We wanna know.
How?
Damn, buddy.
And it's always this
shit.
niggas.
So calm about this shit, though.
Let me search this one, my sister.
Hey, my daughter.
Looking away won't help, nigga. You still with us. We can hear everything we say. So, like, nigga, if we say we got you, buddy. That shit won't help, buddy. Look at your arms, boy. They look soft. They're not too gay. Like, goddamn.
I want to peace, my sister.
In conversation iyayizolo phela le. Conversation ayizolo le.
Look. True, yeah, I want book.
Hey.
Niggas fucking gang bitches.
So you guys even have kids, brother? Who's that lady?
Grade 12.
Oh no, brother. No. Like, no. No.
Sure.
Who's that lady, brother?
No way, she's crying. Oh, nah. Grade 12 is doing all of this. Nah. Damn young, I'm a 2000 and shit. They be ruining families, buddy. Damn. I don't like, she has to be seeing some crazy shit. She has to be seeing some crazy shit in this nigga's video, in this nigga's phone. Cause no way, blood, this bitch just caught for like 3 times and she's already like tearing up and shit, or trying to.
Uyajabula manje.
Ama-twins Makeba.
Uyajabula.
Makeba ama-twins.
Cha, lapha.
Ufuna ukulahlela phela le phone.
Ngiyacela. Koshaya phansi. Ngitokoza ngiyaxolisa phela. Lalela.
Told y'all niggas, Togos don't cheat.
Lalela.
Whatever you are not gonna say is a lie.
My brother.
Whatever you gonna say, whatever you gonna
already
say
you've
is
messed
a
up
lie.
to me. Already you've messed up for me.
But whatever you gonna say is a lie.
Amanga kanjani?
Who's that baby?
Cha, la into engizoxoxa siyabona. Cha, Ntokozo, ngiyacela Ntokozo.
Nhlanhla wangenza so.
Ntokozo, lalela Ntokozo.
3 years. 3 years Nhlanhla.
Is she crying or
Ngicela ukutshela nalesifelo sakho lesi.
Lalela Ntokozo.
Ngicela ukutshela nalesifelo sakho lesi.
Ntokozo, ngicela ungilalele Ntokozo.
I swear yabona mangasukuma la. Mangasukuma lana.
Uthomile ujwala wena bathu asisifebe kwena actually.
Ngiyaxolisa phela.
Uthomile ujwala nini wena asifebe.
Mfethu ngicela uthule mfethu.
Who were this febe?
Ngicela uthule ngiyabonga mfethu.
When did you start dating that
Ngiyabonga
girl?
mfethu ungahamba mfethu amakhamera wakho.
When did you start dating that girl?
Kuningi mfethu kwenzile ngiyabonga ungahamba mfethu ngihamba. Uzilungisele mina.
Lalela. Grade 12 learners, what are you fixing?
Lalela.
Yo, it's prelims. It's fucking prelims. It's 20 September, dog. It's prelims. Nah. How is this grade 12 learner focusing, dog? She has a grown ass man, 34 years old in Atlanta, trying to hit that. And she still has to focus on maths. Yeah, some bitches really have it hard.
Ntokozo, ngicela wehle isimoya Ntokozo. Ngiyacela. Lalela ngicela ngivumele ngichaze. But
Awuchazi mus.
Angichaze sakhona lo muntu.
Suka lidunga ngangibambi. Suka. Dlalelele.
Ntokozo,
It's
ngiyacela.
always this nigga.
Ntokozo, lalela.
No,
Always like this what. Ngiqale ngibona ukuthi ngihlezi ke.
Yabona usondela ngizokufaphaza
Ngihlezi ke nje kanjani? Ngiyaqala ngokungibonga.
Always niggas like
Qala ngokungibona.
Yes.
Kunamaneka njengawo.
Because of this always niggas
Those
like
niggas rage baiting. What?
Angengikhalela wena Makeba. Ngangibambi.
Ntokozo, ngicela ungangishayi Ntokozo.
Angangibamba ke. Uphekisa intombazane. Ama-twins Nhlanhla.
Wait, she's pregnant?
You futhi ungangibamba. Wazi kahle ukuthi mina ngifuna abantwana.
Awungivumeli ngichaze.
Ukhazani?
Awuvumeli
No.
ngichaze.
Ukhazani?
Nah, this nigga Nhlanhla. Hey, damn, buddy, a grade 12 learner. She's writing her prelims right now, chat, as we speaking. She's writing her prelims right now. She's pregnant with twins. Like, why is niggas not using condoms, chat?
Ngiyaquestiona angiphenduli.
Ayikho into engizochaza kukhona lo mfana lo. Ayikho into engizochaza kukhona lo mfana. Lalela.
Oh Makeba yo.
when the man you are cheating. Angisho mina ngumfana.
Mfowethu.
The man is you are the mfana now because you are.
Cause nah, this nigga has twins with the 12-year-old Lena, dog. She's only 18, 19, 17, or maybe 16 there. Niggas use protection. Why is niggas acting like a condom is expensive, chat? Why is niggas acting like condom is expensive? Condom is not expensive, chat. Let's be honest. You can fight to your clinic, local clinic, and get your shit. Maybe fight by ShopRite, you get your shit. Maybe fight by maybe some of your local stores, you get your shit. But now maybe these niggas want some flavored shit, and they want the grape flavor. They want the orange one with a bit of tint and shit, like. Damn, dog. Cause they want it to smell nice, so they say, nah, let's fucking do it raw. Like, nigga, nah. Like, your niggas is risking a lot of shit, dog. She's in grade 12, dog. And this nigga's probably old enough to be like
cheater.
bad and shit.
Kusho bani ukuthi ngiyacheat? Kusho bani?
I'll cheat.
Kusho bani?
Yini le
Kusho bani?
phone yakho. So my sister, what are you gonna do with it?
Hayi,
Ntokozo.
ungithinti.
Ntokozo.
Ungambambi mfana, wabona manje. Leave my sister alone.
Ntokozo.
Wena manje so bazathini. Ungambambi my sister.
Manje wasitwa lezi.
Yeah.
Wasitwa lezi.
Wafunela abantwana
the
bakho.
transfer is called.
Cha, why kumele ngiphendule ngoba ngisanawe?
Phendula.
So my sister, are you leaving him?
Ngisanawe mos.
Angijwayela
Because
kahle.
me I wanna
Ntokozo
leave.
ngixolele mfethu.
Uyazi I wasted 3 years nawe.
Angithingi
3
lalela.
years nawe.
Ngisakuthanda.
Wena busy uyafleta
Ngisakuthanda.
uze unama-twins.
Ngisakuthanda.
Unama-twins wena.
Lalela Ntokozo.
Ungangibambi. Angangithinti unama-twins wena. Mina ngithini kumamakho? Mangifika endlini ngithini kumamakho?
Ngiyacela let I think
Ngithini kumamakho? Ngiyomtshela vele obvious angishona.
This is the reason why niggas should not date, dog. Like if you're Chad, like your life is not right, like certain shit, like don't date, cause this shit is gonna happen to you, Chad. Like if you still don't got money and everything, Chad, like go focus on your shit. Go work, go panda something, go do something, dog. You get me? Like come on, panda, go work, go to school. A side hustle or something, and leave the bitches alone. When you hit them, it's like some type of hookup and shit, or like some friends, and like you get me. Not like some friends, but like yeah, like because now don't commit when you don't got money and shit. Cause they're gonna do this to you, and niggas gonna leave you for a grade 12 learner. And what you gonna do? Kill yourself, cry or what? Like niggas don't really care though. Niggas gonna jump from this one to another one to another one. Life is crazy out here, buddy. I'm telling you.
So udecidile wena kwakumuzi wena you are building empire.
Manje ngichazele kanjani ke situation.
Sek. Icela phone yami.
Where's her phone?
Ngiyacela.
Ubani lo beka la? Uphi iphi fana? Ubani lo le ntombazane le ubani? Lo practice le.
Yeah, I think it's the same girl. Yes.
Cha, wazi ngani ukuthi
Omunye loyo.
Ntokozo.
Hayi my sister ungamshayi. Hayi. Ungamshayi. Hey. Leave my sister.
Uyazibona izinto zenzayo.
Manje ufuna ukublame mina.
Uyazibona izinto zenzayo.
Ufuna ukublame mina.
Ubani othe akuvula amafoni?
So ufuna ukublame mina.
Ubani othe kuvula amafoni?
Blame again.
Ubani othe akuvula
My
amafoni?
sister, leave this guy actually because there's nothing that's
Ntokozo, ngicela sendlini. Ngasendlini selungisela endlini. Ngiyacela.
wanna leave my
Ngiyacela.
sister actually.
Manje ufanele umuntu wami kanjani?
Yeah.
Manje
Believe
kanjani?
me, look at that. This shit's going crazy. Estini, look at that shit is tough. That shit is tough. Like niggas, focus on yourselves though. Please. Like please. Focus on yourselves, niggas, please, dog. Do us a favor.
Give me you, I will do it. If you don't,
Ubani wena ufika manje ukufanele umuntu wakhe. Ubani, who are you? Who are you?
I'm nobody, but somebody in your relationship to make it break up. I'm the guy.
Manje uyajabula ngoba esekhaya nje.
Yeah.
Uyajabula.
Yeah,
Kumnandi kuwe la.
she's free from niggas like you. She's free from niggas like you.
Ukungijwayela.
And it's always these niggas.
Ukungijwayela nje kabi lokho. Ungijwayela nje into yenzile, ayike.
This nigga's just, if it was me, I'm swinging on Joseph Dari, no cap. I'm swinging on Joseph Dari, no cap. Like you got my fan shit on her knees, like bending down like that, like nigga, nah. I'm swinging on Joseph Dari, like no cap, though. No way you gonna come here and make me and my fan shit like break up, like nah, nigga, I'm swinging on you, buddy. I'm swinging.
It's always these niggas, man.
Ayike nje ukungijwayela kabi into yenzile. Uyajabula nje.
Then what are you gonna do if ukujwayelile? What are you gonna do? Are you just gonna watch and just talk? Like be a real Zulu nigga, dog. Hit a nigga with a punch, RKO, spear, Superman punch. Oh man.
Ntokozo, ngasendlini.
Leave my sister alone.
Ntokozo. Ngasendlini.
Leave my sister alone. What are you doing?
Ngiyaxolisa Ntokozo, ukuchazela
My
yonke
sister, I
into.
think your phone you have it.
Ngiyacela.
Ayikho phone yami
Ngiyacela.
la.
Where's her phone?
Ikimi.
Give her the phone.
Cha kanjani mfethu?
Stop telling her my specs. Give her the phone.
Now,
My man, it's Tell my specs. Give her the phone. Give her her phone, bro. Give her her phone. Where's her phone?
The phone. If your phone is amazing, must say for going down now. How? Those guys engine too. Yeah, clear.
Be aware of this kind of niggas.
Yeah, be aware. If there's any girls in this thing, in this video right now, be aware of niggas like this shit. Like they look like they have their life on point and everything, but nah, they still fucked. They are also fucked, shit. Like they look like they are now with everything, but like nah, dog. They still have like
Give her a phone then.
Njengoba bakupreza kangaka wena. Ngicela ifoni yami ngifuna ukuhamba.
Ifoni yakho ikimi mfethu. Ngizokungeza endlini, ngasendlini.
Ifoni yami.
Ngizokuxoxela yonke into ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngiyakucela.
Give us the phone.
Give
us the phone.
Mfethu.
not like good just practicile a grade 12 learner during prelims though, twins.
Give us the phone, my man. We wanna leave us. Because now Sukutata must back. Sometimes you think I'm playing, you know?
Yeah, shoot out as well, fine.
Let me know you then. I
say Kisti.
No, okay. But give her a phone because I'll take the phone.
Energy.
More fake phone, they shall bad. More fake phone, it's like bad. It's like bad. What?
Oh no! Oh no! I'm not letting a nigga do that to me. No way! I'm letting a nigga.
More fake phone, it's like bad. It's like bad.
No, I'm swinging on them. Now look at this. He's opening for you, buddy. He's opening for you. You have a clear shot. Nigga, you got a clear shot. There's no way a nigga's holding you like that and you're just leaving it for free. Like, nah, buddy. Like, nah. You gotta feel this, buddy. Feel like that nigga punch, dog. Like, nah, this nigga ain't Zulu, Jet. This nigga ain't Zulu, Jet. You know?
Let telephone.
Why
Man, I'm not. Why I'm not gonna talk to you a lot.
Mind you, on taser.
It's on taser. Let telephone. Let telephone.
Was on taser.
Let telephone.
Was on taser.
Yes.
Was on taser.
Yes. Let telephone.
Cha, fethi uzonikwa yini? Uzonikwa yini?
Yeah, I'm nigga manje.
Uzonikwa yini? Why ungibamba?
Yo, let my sister.
Oh, nah, nigga brought out a taser.
Why ungibamba? So vele uyavuma vele. Ubani vele wena?
I told you I'm nobody.
Ubani vele wena?
It's always these niggas, man.
Always these niggas.
Guys like
Ngiyawalka la babukelene nami mina cabanga shame.
So you're living in my
ngiyamshiya shame. Ngiyamshiya shame.
Ntokozo ngicela ungixolele Ntokozo. Ngicela seyixoxe endlini.
Shame. Shame.
Mara izinto zenzayo.
Yes.
Shame on you.
Ngiyajabula ke.
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy that she left you, dog. I'm happy that Ntokozo left you. Cause now you can't use a bitch ass nigga though. There is no way you had a good bitch for 3 years. She's been treating you nice, she knows your parents. Then you cheat on her with the grade 12 learner. Not only do you cheat, but you get the grade 12 learner pregnant. And she gets to have twins. Just saying. Yeah. That's a bit crazy, dog.
Ngiyajabula. Awubuka njalo.
My man, I wish you could do something.
And yazi njoba wenzathi ngone, msho uwese ukudlula mina.
I wish you can. I wish.
Even if he's worse, they're not catching him, bro. Abambambi.
Maybe I'm worse than him. Maybe he's right. Right. What you do? I'm gonna keep on doing the best. My name is Joseph. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. How you doing? What we got content exchange for 60 seconds. I heard that you guys want the replacement to happen.
What replacement?
I think we have to start that series, season 1, soon, of replacements. So we can just work replace batch. Maybe do at least 2 replaces a week. You know what I mean? See if people can, and then later we can do a follow-up of a relationship.
Look at this nigga
See
right
if it's working. I see you guys love people being in love again. Eh? Let's do the love thing again. I love breaking, but yeah, I see you guys, also, some of you guys like, build up, make love, so we can break it. See you guys on another episode.
Give it up, give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up, clip, I will keep it up.
Yeah, I also have a Twitch channel. It's called The Walls of As you can just see. If you don't mind, you can go follow up. Right now I have 18 followers. Yeah, but we're gonna go crazy. But we're gonna upload. Nigga, I'm saying something. Yeah, chat, I have a Twitch right now. Also a TikTok. At TikTok, I'm really not serious, but I have to be serious on it and also upload like a lot more. If y'all niggas don't mind, like you can. If you don't mind, like you wanna see crazy content, go follow up on Twitch. We're gonna be live and crazy, do some crazy shit there also. And yeah, chat, we back. And there you can see the room is tough now. You can see the wall, the thing. And everything, like we're still fixing though. Still, it's like the whole month had to be like fixed and everything. The room had to be fixed. The whole house was getting renovated. But that doesn't stop us, chat. Cause y'all niggas know we back now. Like we back, sis we're back with a bang. And like, tell me, gents, your favorite moment from this video. Comment down below. Tell me, gents, if you want more of these. And